This is Math 990, Module 4 Review Video number 2. So we are going to next look at solving a system of equations using the substitution method. Now, we have, when we're solving the substitution method, we need to completely isolate one of the variables. Now, on the second equation, we can see that for y, it's so close to being isolated. We would just have to divide by 4. But when we divide by 4, we're going to get 19/4, and I don't really want to deal with that fraction. Now on this first equation, there's no variable in front of this y. There's just the 2x. So I'm going to actually isolate this y on the top equation. So I'm just going to minus 2x to each side. And now we'll have y equals 5 minus 2x, or you could even write it as negative 2x plus 5. You can rewrite, just make sure the sign stays the same in front of each term. So negative 2x plus 5 or 5 minus 2x. Okay, now that we have this, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute for y in the other equation. We're going to put this in place of y in equation number 2. So I'm going to write the equation out. Where the y is, I'm just going to have parentheses equals 19 minus 8x. So we're going to put negative 2x plus 5 here in place of y. And now let's just distribute and simplify. So 4 times negative 2x, we get negative 8x, plus 4 times 5 is 20, equals 19 minus 8x. Now we need to get the variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other. So let's go ahead and add 8x. Maybe you notice something funny here too. So negative 8x plus 8x, completely gone. Negative 8x plus 8x, completely gone. Is there an x left over? No, there's not. These are both just 0. You don't even have to write anything. If you want, you can write 0, but I'm not going to because there's nothing left. They're completely eliminated, and I'm just left with a positive 20. So I get 20 equals 19. Is that true? Does 20 equal 19? No, it does not. And so we have a no solution again. Not common that we have this 2 different times, but that's how it worked out. So 20 does not equal 19, and so there will be no solution.